Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's video I'm going to explain a little bit more about the water wheel transplanter that we were using in the video transplanting frost damaged broccoli, and give you a little more of an overview. We were kind of pushed for time, and you can hear Mr. Skippy the bottle calf has started the weaning process, and he's not real happy about it. But anyhow, so what we've got here is a water wheel transplanter, and the way this thing is designed is you got your water barrel up here. The water comes down through this hose down to a split because it is designed to run two wheels. The water then flows down this pipe, this tube, and inside this wheel. Now this wheel, as you can see, is hollow, and the water runs out this tube right here, and at each one of the spikes there's a hole. You can see right here. So what happens is water runs in here, and as the wheel comes around, pokes the hole in the plastic, the water runs out of it. And you can see sitting in the bare ground the other day, we were some of the hose were getting stopped up. But and then the operator sits back here, and of course we extend the top length to lower them down to where they're at the proper height, and they put the plant in the ground and rake the dirt around the root ball. Now here's where we control the amount of water going out, and this valve has a rod that runs up there to where the setter can open or close it. And right there the water's open, and it'll start flowing out. And then of course close it up and the water stays in. But that's a little bit about it. It is a specialized implement, but it's very simple. There's not a whole lot to it, if you will, but not a whole lot to it at all. But that's the way it works, and that way you puncture the plastic and make a hole for the plant with the spikes, and then of course you water them. You water them at the same time, and if you need to put any insecticide or fertilizer or anything, you mix that in there as well. Now, this wheel is spaced for 12-inch spacing. They are, excuse me, there are other wheels that have different spacing. 8, 18, 24, various different spacing depending on what you're transplanting, what you're growing. So, but that's a little bit about it. It works very well. The reason we only run one is with two guys riding back here, it's everything they can do to keep up with the one. You know, you got a plant coming every 12 inches. They have to stay on top of their game to do a good job. So that's why we only run one. It works well. Running two, we can't go slow enough, so what we'll typically do is offset the wheel to one side or the other, go down one side of the bed, then come back the other side, and that'll get our proper spacing. But that's a little bit about the water wheel transplanter. We typically only use it on plastic mulch, and you know, like I stated before in the other video, you know, you do what you got to do, and we're kind of in a situation where we had to use it in a way it wasn't designed to be used, but it still works, and that's all that matters to us. So if you like what we do, and there'll be more and more in the field videos coming as we get going here. Hopefully our new piece of equipment will be here, I hope, next week. When I placed the order, the guy said 17th, but we'll see. If I have to call and check on it, I will. But you know, if it's going to be here 17th, which is next Thursday, week from today, then it'll have to ship out pretty soon. It'll probably need to ship tomorrow or Monday to get here by then. But anyhow, if you like what we're doing, subscribe to us. Let us know what you think, and we will talk to you guys later. Have a good day.